Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Zoom meeting password with anyone. So first of all, go to your Zoom workplace. After that, create a new meeting. Click on start. Now go to meeting information. Click on start again. Go to description. Now select all of this and copy it from your keyboard by pressing Ctrl and C. Now go to your notepad and paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V from keyboard or any social media platform from where you can share your meeting ID and password with anyone and everyone. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.